Okay. Proceeding to solution of differential equations, we have seen two concepts. One was variable separable form. In that case, dy by dx equal to f of xy. You can convert that differential equation, or you can reduce that differential equation in the form of variable separable, means terms of x with dx and terms of y with dy. In the second case, it was not possible, but the differential equation was a homogeneous differential equation in which you can write dy by dx, the function which is given to you, f of xy, as f of lambda x lambda y, this is equal to lambda raised to 0 f of xy. Means the differential equation was a homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now proceeding to next, we come to the third type, which is linear differential equation. Okay. Now a first order differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only, or constants, is known as linear differential equation. Is known as linear differential equation. Means first order first degree differential equation dy by dx plus py, where p it is a function of x or maybe constant, is equal to q, where q it is again a function of x or maybe constant. Dhyan rahe, p and q, these are functions of x only, not y. These are functions of single variable x only, or they may be constant. Okay, it's known as linear differential equation. As far as its solution is concerned, for this solution we find a term which is e raised to integral p dx. We find this term, and this term is termed as integrating factor. Okay, what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e raised to integral p dx. We find this. Okay, clear? And solution is this, y multiplied by integrating factor. This is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant. When you will solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, clear? Beside this, your differential equation may be of this type also. Dx by dy plus p1x is equal to q1. Clearly here p1 and q1, these will be functions of y only. Okay, p1 and q1 are functions of y only or constant. In this case, your integrating factor, it will be e raised to integral p1 dy. जैसे यहाँ पे इंटीग्रल p dx है, वैसे इंटीग्रल p1 dy आएगा. Okay, and as far as solution of this is concerned, it will be x into integrating factor. This is equal to integral q1 integrating factor into dy plus constant. Okay, means this is also linear differential equation. In this case, x is the dependent variable and y is the independent variable. Working procedure बिल्कुल वैसा है, सिर्फ ध्यान क्या रखना है, p1 and q1, these are functions of y only, maybe constants. Okay, integrating factor, it will be e raised to integral p1 dy. Okay, and further solution will be this. Okay, as far as your 2020-2021 curriculum is concerned, okay, syllabus of 2020-2021 COVID-19 cases. Okay, in this case, this has been deleted from your syllabus. आपको पता है कि आपका सिलेबस कम कर दिया गया है कोरोना वायरस की वजह से, तो 2020-2021 के लिए ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, बट दिस इज इन योर syllabus. Okay, please note it down.